Sophia, a military veteran, had PTSD and couldn't leave the house. Her therapist suggested adopting a rescue pet. At the shelter, a white cat named Luna approached her, rubbed her head against Sophia's boot, and stayed close. At home, Luna never left her side. She'd sit near during nightmares, gently lick her hand when she cried, and even seemed to sense when Sophia felt unsafe. Over time, Sophia began going for walks, with Luna in a cat backpack. They became a team. Luna became her silent therapist with a soft heart. Mental health benefit. Cats offer emotional support, reduce PTSD symptoms. If you like, please like, share, and subscribe to support our channel.